There's some sort of a issue in near the St. Thomas Police, St. Thomas Church. I think they are rerouting us. I think there's a suspicious vehicle or something. I was here in the morning, but now I just passed and went there a few minutes ago. Now they are rerouting us through some other way. We'll see what's happening, what's going on. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm just checking with the police guys what's happening. I think the bomb squad is here. Ralami, කොහෙද දැන් පුළුවන්? අපිට පිටකොට යන්න බෑ. I think the bomb squad is here. Bomb squad is doing something. Yep, near the police, near the church, St. Thomas Church. That's something.